Mastering the phrase, break a sweat, unveiling its meaning and usage. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and commonly used phrase, break a sweat. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you sound more like a native speaker. Let's get started and find out what it means to break a sweat, and how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations. Break a sweat is an idiomatic expression that's often used in both casual and formal settings. Originally, this phrase has its roots in physical activity. To break a sweat means to start perspiring due to exertion or heat. However, the meaning extends beyond just physical activity. In a broader sense, when someone says they didn't break a sweat, it means that they didn't find the task challenging. It was easy and didn't require much effort. Physical activity context. In its most literal sense, breaking a sweat in a gym or during a workout session indicates that you're putting in the effort and starting to perspire. For example, after 20 minutes on the treadmill, I finally broke a sweat. Casual and metaphorical usage. Metaphorically, the phrase is used to describe any activity or task that doesn't require much effort. Saying, "I completed the project without breaking a sweat," implies that the project was easy and didn't pose any significant challenges. To grasp the concept better, let's look at some examples. 1. Physical context. It's so hot today that I broke a sweat just walking to the store. 2. Casual usage. She's so good at math, she solved all the problems without breaking a sweat. 3. Professional setting. The team was so well prepared for the presentation, they delivered it without breaking a sweat. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, break a sweat. Remember, while it originates from physical exertion, it's widely used to convey ease and effortlessness in various contexts. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase confidently in your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.